Chinese Air Force plans to expand presence in outer space, Ministry. Beijing, the Chinese People's Liberation Army Air Force intends to increase its presence in space as part of a plan to create world-class strategic aviation, the Chinese Defense Ministry said in a statement. At the first stage until 2020 it is planned to create strategic aviation, proceed with the construction of the strategic aviation structure, which will have integrated capabilities in the air and outer space and balanced capabilities both in defensive and offensive operations, the statement said. According to the statement, the fourth-generation armament will form the basis for the new system. The second stage of the plan involves the creation of a brand new Air Force system by 2035. A full modern strategic Air Force is accepted to be formed. The third stage of the plan provides for the creation of a world-class Air Force by around the 2050s that would reflect China's status as one of the world's most powerful nations. On November 2, China successfully launched the Beidou 3 satellite, the 41st satellite to join the nation's Beidou navigation system, atop the Long March 3B carrier rocket. The China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation, CASC, reported.